Hi, my name is John Mays. Some people refer to me as Evil John Mays. I'm a makeup effects artist, and I'm here doing a demonstration for ExpertVillage.com. We've got the stitches on there. I want to do is make a small little puncture wound mark, just a little red mark where the needle will come through on each one. So, hold still, Angie. Okay. So, a little prick of red on each one of these. And I'll come back with another color. Okay, give it some different variations. This is kind of a split pea soup color, which I'm trying to use it to denote infection, things like that. What I've got here is a little bit of gelled alcohol, and I'm going to use that to kind of mix in the wounds there so that everything's not quite so factory. The reason I'm using the gelled alcohol is it lasts just a little bit longer. It has a tendency to leave a little bit of a raised mark, which is kind of cool.